Hey, it's LoveySkunk, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create blow-dried curls. What you're going to be needing is a blow dryer, a hairbrush, leave-in conditioner, a curl enhancer or definer, your hands, and hairspray. Make sure that you take a shower or wash your hair before you try to recreate this look. I've already put the leave-in conditioner and curl enhancer in my hair while it was damp, and now I'm going to be taking it out and brush my hair. So because I have thick hair that doesn't dry for like a day, I have to blow dry the roots of my hair. And so I blow dry the top part of my hair. And then for volume, I flip my hair over and then I blow dry the roots of my hair. If you have hair that is really thin, you can just skip it. After you split your hair down the middle, take a section and twist the hair outwards. Once you've done that, take your blow dryer and dry the hair so that it will stay. And do the same for the other side. To create smaller curls, take smaller sections of your hair on both sides. When you take each section, you twist outward from your face and take the blow dryer and dry each section. It's a little bit more time consuming, but you get more of a defined curl look. And then you're done. Now you have beautiful blow-dry curls. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how to blow-dry curls into your hair instead of using a curling iron or a straightener. I really enjoyed creating this video for you guys because it's a super easy hairstyle to do, and I'm surprised that people do not know how to do this. So yeah, I was just happy to share it with you, and I hope that you enjoy it, and send me your pictures on what your style looks like. And also, if you want to see certain hair tutorials or just send me pictures so that I can create that hairstyle, then send them to me. I have in my channel, there's a little description on the side which has my contact information. You can either contact me on Facebook, Tumblr, I think Butorial, I'm not quite sure, Pinterest, maybe, and I also have my email, so if you want to send me your pictures, then just go ahead and send me them. And also, I'm going to be doing this new thing where you guys vote for whatever video you want to see next, and usually I'll have it down in the description box, so go right down there and comment. And also, if you thought this tutorial was helpful, go down below and For updates on new videos, subscribe, and check out my channel if you want to see other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!